Hello, my name is Molly and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my time lapse for my woodwork project. I hope you enjoyed the video. We were rocking out in the garage while we were working. I made my shoe rack last month. I wanted to add DVD shelf and extension to make more room. We measured some wood to make tidy edges. We screwed them on, but I didn't like the screws, so I'll nail them instead. The saw wasn't very good. It was too difficult to saw. I sanded the shell to make it smooth. I've changed these screws for nails for later on. We tidied up and then took the shelf to my room to make it fit.